I need your help in welcoming Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. Good morning, Bruce.
Hey, good morning, Todd. How are you doing this morning?
Oh, just fine, I guess. Little warm these days, but I think all of us are.
Yeah, that's what happens at the summertime in Southwest Florida.
And nothing too unusual for sure. We got ourselves another issue with another problem that could use your little expertise and caring wisdom. You ready for it?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's get into today's email and see what Bruce thinks. My daughter was driving on Edgewater near Midway when she was struck by a driver who was texting and ran a red light. Oh, I hate hearing about distracted driving, and I'm sure, Bruce, you deal with that a lot in your business.
Every day.
It says my daughter had just dropped her child at daycare and was alone in the car. Well, that's kind of good. The driver who hit her was in a company vehicle, but his employer claims he was off the clock and that it's not their responsibility. She has a broken collarbone and neck injury and can't return to work as a nurse. Can a lawyer determine if the company can still be held accountable? This, I know we have tackled before, but I can't remember what the answer is. Bruce, why don't you fill in the blanks for us?
Well, as long as the driver had the consent of the owner to be driving the car, it doesn't matter whether he was on the clock or off the clock.
I see.
There's a theory of law called dangerous instrumentality, and that means that the owner of a dangerous instrumentality, which includes a car or a truck or a motorcycle, is directly responsible for the actions of the driver.
Okay.
So their daughter is in good shape from a financial standpoint because the owner is responsible and will have to, pay for her huge medical bills now and in the future, her lost wages if she sustains any, and her pain, suffering, inconvenience, and other intangible damages.
Yeah, sorry, go ahead.
So we do have good news for this inquirer.
Yeah. With a broken collarbone and neck injury in particular, that signals to me this is somebody who may need long-term physical therapy, and neck problems are the kind of thing that don't just kind of go away after a while. You have ongoing issues. Is there a way to protect her for the future?
Yes, that's one of the elements of damages, the future care that she will need, which we would obtain a statement from the treating physician as to what medical expenses he or she expects in the future, and that would be part of the damages that we would seek to recover.
See, that's why you need to go to a professional on something like this, because handling it on your own, you wouldn't maybe think in the long term, the big picture. But somebody like you says, hold it, we got to worry about your future too.
Absolutely.
Okay, this is perfect. This is exactly what I was hoping for. Some helpful, positive thinking on behalf of this poor person who's been injured. Bruce, as always, we appreciate your kind and caring way.
My pleasure, Todd, and I look forward to another challenging question next Wednesday.
I'm sure we will have one for you. In the meantime, have a great week. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Todd.
That's Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. And if you end up in a similar situation, I'm going to tell you what you should do. But if you would like to just submit a question out of curiosity about the law, just go to our station website and put Bruce in the keyword search box. That'll take you where you need to go. Now, if you are injured, if this sounded all too familiar for you, then immediately, not in a second or two, I mean immediately, call the Port Charlotte office of Associates and Bruce L. Scheiner. Here's the phone number, 941-743-7777. 941-743-7777. And please tell them that Todd Matthews sent you.